See the ninth problem. In a graph sheet, plot each pair of points, join them by line segments. Okay. These 7 points we have to plot on the graph paper. Now join the following pair of points by straight line segments in the same graph. So total these 14 set of points we have to represent on the graph paper. Okay. So x-axis is the horizontal line, y-axis is the vertical line. Okay. Now scale also each time we have to write. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Because 1 gap only now we took. The first point 2, 5, 4, 7. First 2, 5. Here on the x-axis 2 and on y-axis 5. So this is 2, 5. Next 4, 7. On the x-axis 4 and on y-axis it is 7. Okay, opposite is 7. So 4, 7. Join them with the straight lines they are telling now. So just join it. Okay. Next, second one, minus 3, 5, minus 3, 5. Minus 3 on x-axis it is and on y-axis 5. This one, minus 3, 5. Each time you have to write the point. Next, minus 1, 7. Here minus 1 and 7. Minus 1, 7. Just join these points. Okay. Next, minus 3, minus 4. It is minus 3 and minus 4. Here, minus 4, minus 3, minus 4. Next, 2, minus 4. It is 2 on the x-axis and minus 4 on y-axis. So 2, minus 4. Join them with the scale. Okay. Now, fourth one, minus 3, minus 5. So minus 3 on x-axis and minus 5 on y-axis. This is, so minus 3, minus 5. Next 2, minus 5. Here in the problem, 2, minus 5. So 2 on x-axis and minus 5 on y-axis. 2, minus 5. So join them with the scale. Next, 4, minus 2. This is 4 and minus 2 here. 4, minus 2. Next, 4, minus 3. This is 4 and here 4, minus 3. Join them with the scale. Next, minus 2, 4. Minus 2 on x-axis, this one, and 4 on y-axis, this. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 3. Again, this is minus 2 and this is 3. Minus 2, 3. Join it with the scale. Next, minus 2, 1. This is minus 2 and this is 1. Minus 2, 1. Again, minus 2, 0. That means on x-axis, y 0. So join these 2 points. Okay. Now, this 8th one, minus 3, 5. Where is minus 3? here minus 3 and 5. This is 5. Already we located. And minus 3 comma 4. This is minus 3 comma 4, right? So join with the scale. Okay. Now 2 comma 5. Where is 2? This is 2 comma 5. Already we have 2 comma minus 4. Here it is 2 comma minus 4. So join with the scale. Okay. Next 2 comma minus 4. This is 2 and this is minus 4. Next 4 comma minus 2. This is 4 comma minus 2. We have to join these two. Okay. Like this. Now 2 comma minus 4. Where is 2 comma minus 4? This only. 4 comma minus 3. This one. 2 comma minus 4 and 4 comma minus 3. Again this only na. Okay. Now 4 comma minus 2. This is 4 and minus 2. 4 comma 7. This one. Okay. Join it. Next 4 comma 7. Here minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 and 7. These two. Join with the scale. Next minus 3 comma 2. This is minus 3 and 2 here, right? So write minus 3 comma 2. Now 2 comma 2. This is 2 and this is 2. 2 comma 2. So if we join minus 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. Okay. Here actually in the question it is minus 3 comma 5 and minus 3. If it is minus 5, we'll join up to here. Okay. To complete the figure I am telling. See this 2 comma minus 4 and 4 comma minus 3. Already we joined 2 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 2. Now 2 comma minus 5. If 2 comma minus 5 without this. Okay. If we join it. Okay. And if we join these two also. Now you see how it looks like. It's just like a fridge. Okay. And this is one door. Ice cubes will keep now. This is direct. And this is the main fridge. So a fridge with double doors. What is the surprise figure? What is it they are asking now? So the surprise figure is a fridge with double doors. Okay, that's what we wrote. A surprise figure is a fridge with double doors we get. So this is the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, I hope you understand this. Please like this video and please share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.